Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a digital thermometer properly. Let's go. First, let us disinfect our hands. You can use water and soap or an alcohol. And next, let's wear our protective shoes. Now let us take out the thermometer from the container. Let us disinfect the point with the edge. Go to the patient and say high or low, and then let's take his temperature. Hi, can I take your temperature? While waiting for the signal of the temperature, I'll explain to you what is a thermometer is a device used to take a temperature. It could be food, water, anything to get the temperature. Now let us see the result. Now let us inform the patient that this is his temperature. Thank you. Let us disinfect our hands before we begin. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching.